Okay na siya. Lagyan na natin. Wow, it's very hot. Okay. Yes. Wow. Ang coffee ko na may konting creamer at konting sugar. Yes. Let's close this. Ito kasi kung may wine and kailangan mo ng ice. So, let's put the coffee on the table. Let's enjoy the table first. Yeah. Po tayo. Yeah. And then, let's turn on the TV. Para medyo maganda yung ating pesto. Wow, I hope it's the TV. Po tayo. Oh, wait, let's having my coffee here. Hindi pa naman kami inaan to.
Can I ask what's bothering you?
Maybe a little PTSD. I probably should have taken some more time off after my last trip.
What are you?
Hindi sa labas. Bakit ako sa hindi sa labas?
Situational security and reaction.
Sobrang taas namin. Nasa kasi kami? 27th floor. Ayun no.
Still, sounds way more exciting than my life.
Yeah? How was
So,
that?
yan.
Well, I have never been shy.
And I'm watching TV.
No?